Hello friends and viewers, I welcome you all to my channel and you are watching a very fresh new episode of Day Roundup. So without wasting too much time, let's start updating ourselves. So friends, today's first news comes from the Indian stock market world, and yes, the benchmark indices Nifty and Sensex were performing on a positive note today just because of easing tensions between US and China trade war. But soon they declined just because of uncertainty in oil prices. According to the data of BSE, more than 2 shares declined for every 1 share rising. Moving ahead friends, we have got our next news from the IPO market, and guess what? RITES Limited got subscribed around 150% times on day 2 according to the data available with NSE till 2:45 PM. RITES Limited is a railway consultancy firm and it's a state-owned firm. The issue will close tomorrow. And let me know in the comment section that have you subscribed for this IPO or not. Moving ahead friends, we have got our next news from the banking sector, and guess what? ICICI Bank will appoint Mr. MD Malia as its chairman of the bank. Mr. MD Malia was the executive director of the bank earlier, and now he will be holding his office as the chairman of the bank. The present chairman, Mr. MK Sharma, will vacate his office on 30th June, and after that, Mr. MD Malia will be the new chairman of the ICICI Bank. Moving ahead friends, we have got our next news for the rural sector, and guess what? Government is planning to set up Wi-Fi in 25,000 gram panchayats. For this, government will invite a tender of rupees 10,000 crore for the leading broadband operators. Moving ahead friends, we have got our next news for the food lovers, and guess what? India's largest online food ordering startup SWIGGY has now raised about $210 million to expand its business and to improve its supply chain network. The fund is raised by South African media company Naspers Limited and Russia's DST Global. Moving ahead friends, we have got our next news from the hotel chain industry, and guess what? OYO Rooms, which was a startup company in India, has now expanded its business to China. OYO Rooms has now constructed around 11,000 OYO rooms around 26 cities in China. So friends, that was all from me for today. Thanks for watching it, and if you like this video, then do not forget to share it and do not forget to subscribe to our channel, and especially do not forget to hit that bell icon so that you get every notification of the video that is being uploaded on our channel. For regular news updates, you can follow me on my Instagram handle, or you can like my Facebook page, or you can join my Facebook group so that you get updated every time about all the news and current affairs. Till then, take care and do not forget to stay sharp and be updated. This is me, your host, Mehul Kumar Patwari, signing off for today. God bless you.